So today we'll study about the dissection of the grasshopper. Now there are two grasshoppers kept over here which was already set in the formalin. Now you can see this grasshopper has a leg. Now there are 6 pairs of legs over here. The hind leg, which is also called as the jumping leg, has the femur, and this part which you can see here, spine like structures, now these are termed to be the tarsals. Okay, now these coxas and the tarsus, here the femur, it is helping the grasshopper to jump from one place to the other. So these are very strong in nature and these are quite helpful in jumping from here and there. Now there is also the structure. These spines are helping them to move from one place to other. Okay, now you can see that the body of the grasshopper is segmented. Now this segment is termed to be the head, the middle one is termed to be the thorax, and the last one is termed to be the abdomen. Okay, now this legs you can see. Okay, now you can take it apart for dissection. First of all, here this part is termed to be the CK. Okay, this is the female part of it, and this is the only part which helps in identifying whether the grasshopper is a male or a female. Okay, now you can observe over here, this is the opening. It is having the anus, that is the excretory part of the grasshopper. Okay, and the reproductive part. Now in the males you will see this part is not open like in the case of females. So this is the distinguishing feature or the morphology of the grasshopper to know whether the grasshopper is a male or a female. The genital organs are in the 13th segment of the grasshopper. Okay, now we'll take out all the legs and dissect it. So for the dissection, first of all we twist the legs and we move it out. Okay, in the legs you can observe there are 5 parts. The first is the coxa, then comes the trochanter, then is the femur, then tibia and the tarsus. Now tarsus are having spine like structures as already shown. Okay, so in this way we'll take out all the legs. Now you can observe the segmented part of the body. Now the wings comes out from the mesothorax. The outer wing, that is the forewing, is termed to be the hard one, and these appendages are helping the grasshopper to fly. So this one is a little bit leathery in structure and quite hard. This helps in the first flight. The humeral angle between the base of costa and the apex, or the angle between the costa and the outer margin, and the anal angle, which is the between the tormus at the outer margins and the inner margins. So this wing is termed to be the forewings, and the wing beneath that is the hind wing. Now you can see there are a lot of venations present in the wings. Now this is a membranous wing. The hind wings are the membranous wings. This is helping the grasshopper to fly along. The first wing is to take the forewing is to take the flight, and the hind wing is to help in flying. So in this way you can take out the wings also. Now you can see it is attached to the last part of the thorax. Okay, in this way you can take out all the 4 wings. You have to twist it and then you have to take it out so that there is no damage to the particular grasshopper. For the dissection unit you must have this particular type of fork. Now this forceps, these forceps and this pin is helping to understand the major work, or you can say the major parts of the grasshopper. Now this is the segmentation of the abdomen. If you observe it clearly, there are 13 segmentations, and the wings start from the last part of the thorax, that is the mesothorax. Okay,